Thieves are the worst. And it's not just like stealing beds. It's not the fact that it's a bed. It's the fact that it's new. Like, it's new and they're going to steal it. If you left something like that out in America, in some cities, people are going to steal it from you, and then they're going to post it on like Craigslist, which is like American Fin, you know, and they're going to try to sell it. They're going to do something with it. But what's not going to happen is it's just going to be chilling in the street for 30, 45 minutes with no cares in the world. Oh no, somebody, even if they didn't steal it immediately, then if they left and they came back and it was still there, yeah, you got to come up off that. There was a time I was living in North Hollywood, California. I was living on Lancashire Boulevard, and I was moving, so I could only take what was fitting in my car. So I got rid of my furniture and everything. Now, I was genuinely giving it away, but I just took it down by where the trash is at, because I know if I set something down there, somebody gonna take it. So I took my sofa. I had a sofa, a love seat, and like a little footrest thing, right? I took the sofa down, went back upstairs to grab the love seat. By the time I took the love seat down, the sofa was gone. This is minutes later. Somebody saw it. It was pew. Now, genuinely, that was, everybody know if it's down there, that someone's giving it away. So that they weren't stealing it. But I'm just saying, people will see stuff and it'll just be gone, So if you don't want your stuff to be missing, you gotta keep your eye on your luggage.